Are you a straight driver or crazy driver? Crazy driver.
You are a crazy driver.
Crazy driver! You must be going on mountain trails! Crazy driver!
I'm sorry? You named them?
She's fatso.
Gee, I can't imagine why.
She's fatter than a milk cow ought to be. Usually, a milk cow will put their all their energy into producing milk, so they don't usually have as much meat on them.
Cute.
She has meat
The
and
first
then
time
some.
you've gotten to do it? A couple months, she said.
Yeah.
Remember how long we said it takes for
So
the baby
you
to
can
come?
move your hand down a little bit.
Just like a mommy
And
person?
Like a couple of months.
Yeah, but all total?
Try starting.
9 months, right?
Yeah, there you go.
Did you forget?
There you go.
It's
We have a rag if you
fine.
get any milk on
Good job, Eleanor.
Dr. Pepper? Okay, that's
your hand. Good job.
Yay, Lily.
There you go. There you go. And then let some more milk come down. You have to release your grip. There you go.
has to fill back
And then
up.
squeeze again. Okay, now try this one. There you go. Put your hand all around it. There you go. It's good for you to have little. So move your hand down here. Move your thumb. You start it right there.
What are these for?
There you go.
Probably the gate that I opened to go in the pasture to hold the gate.
There you go.
It's probably a chain to hold that gate when you move it to different places.
That one has some in it. Yeah, she has a lot here. She doesn't usually have much in this one.